Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to get promo codes for Ryanair. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box I'm going to type in Ryanair promo code. Once I've done that, I'm going to click search and that will give me a list of Google search results. So if I scroll down, you can see different third-party sites offering Ryanair promo code. So we've got Loveminity, 20% off. We've got voucher.discount, 50% off. We've got Groupon.ie, etc. So you can check out any one of these sites to try and find a promo code. But for this one here, I'm going to use the promo code 20% off from Simply Codes. So I'm going to click into the website. And the thing with these promo code sites, these do change daily, weekly, or monthly. So there might be better discounts or not as good discounts as at the time of this recording, and they also expire too. So if one discount or promo code doesn't work, just move on to the next one. And now I'm in Simply Code, so what you want to do is copy this code to enjoy 20% off. So as you can see, the code has been copied. Paste this code at the checkout section of Ryanair to enjoy 20% off flights.